Are you trying to grow your hair out? Perhaps you've been wondering what kind of product you can use so you can have a better skin tone. Maybe you would like to use natural ingredients so you can stop using harsh chemical on your skin or your hair. My name is Jovani and I love hair product, skincare product, and beauty stuff. Everything in between, in fact. Jovani's Capelli channel now is built on my passion to help people who are transitioning, having skincare problems, or who wants to have better hair length retention, getting fast results, as well as using natural ingredient with the best brand on the market or natural ingredient you can even find in your closet. This is an important commitment for me because I believe with the natural community growing, we can love ourselves more and better for who we are. And let's be honest, self-confidence is the key and wisdom is everything. I love cooking and my passion for cooking makes me realize how we can transform just with simple ingredients we can find in the market for a lower price into something very good for our skin or hair. So if you're interested in the same knowledge, if you would like to gain some experience, if you would like to try out these kind of things, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos that I'll be posting every Thursday each week, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and see you there.